Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wyze app to set up RTSP in local recording, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Wyze app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Wyze. Select the Wyze app from the search results. Tap the Install button for Android or the Get button for iOS. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once installed, locate the Wyze app icon on your home screen. Tap the Wyze app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If you are new to Wyze, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the account setup. After logging in, navigate to the camera settings within the app. Find the option for RTSP settings to enable it. Ensure your camera is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up RTSP for your specific camera model. Once RTSP is configured, navigate to the local recording settings. Select the option to enable local recording. Choose the storage option based on your preferences. Confirm the settings and exit the setup menu. Your Wyze app is now set up for RTSP and local recording. You are ready to monitor and record your camera footage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.